Do you feel the energy? It's got so warm I had to take my jacket off. So this is great. So my name is Dr. Veena Rani Howard. Some of you met me a couple of days ago. I am an associate professor of Asian religions in the Department of Philosophy at California State University, Fresno. Yay! My students are cheering for me. I also serve on the Parliament's Board of Trustees. Due to the recent incidents of and awareness about sexual degradation of women and ensuing public discourse surrounding this issue, the Women's Task Force of the Parliament decided to focus on the projects focusing on the dignity of women and sacred teachings. So one of the initiatives that the Women's Task Force of the Parliament focused on adding entries, dignity of women, to each of the existing Wikipedia pages on women in religion. Dignity of Women project shows how our scriptures and sacred teachings contain references and stories that highlight not only equality of both women and men, but also show women as honorable and even reverential subjects, goddesses, saints, teachers, not simply objects of desire or lesser beings, right? So it is important that we learn those facts about our sacred teachings and traditions that often been used selectively, relegating women to a lower status, as we heard from Karma Lakshya as well, and leading to ill customs and practices. So why did we decide to use Wikipedia as platform? So little facts about the Wikipedia is about 18 billion average views on this project. There are about 34 million users. The number of languages supported by Wikipedia are, you can't even guess, 280. 1,500 new articles are added each day. The list goes on. So in short, Wikipedia has come and become one of the primary sources of the quick information which can be accessed through only a few clicks. And my students, whenever I ask a question, they straight go to Wikipedia. So there are thousands of pages related to religions and various aspects of religions, including theology, ethics, ritual, etc. But now I present a shocking fact. There was not even one entry that focused on the dignity of women in religion and sacred teachings. Not even the term dignity is used on those pages. So here, we, the members of the Women's Task Force of the Parliament, birthed a project. And now I invite you to nurture it, expand it, and spread the truth of the sacred teachings that uphold the dignity of women. So the dignity of women is not simply women's issue, right? It is connected to the dignity of our humanity, dignity of our future generations, dignity and the sustenance of our very existence. Thank you.